everyone. This is Ruby Bhatia, television presenter and happiness life coach. This is my brand new podcast, Reflections with Ruby Bhatia, which is an exclusive women-only podcast where we talk to beautiful women around the world who are successful both in their domestic life and in their professional life. Truly a struggle for all of us, isn't it? So today I have a wonderful young lady. Her name is Paromita Goswami, and she's joining us from the UK. Paromita has achieved the heights of success in every field of her life. She's working for Transport for London by day, but she also has her passion, which is Jal Tarang Limited, an art production company which also curates events with Indian embassies in many countries around the world. Thank you for joining us, Paromita.
Hi, Ruby. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm nice. I'm with Ruby Bhatia. Wow.
Wow, so sweet. So, Paromita, where are you right now? Where are you joining us from?
I'm from UK, so I'm based here for over a decade. So yeah, from UK. There you go.
Which city are you in?
I'm in Kent.
Okay.
It's the southern part in UK.
So tell me about your journey so far. Where were you born, brought up, and what are you doing now? Just tell me everything, the whole biodata.
Oh wow. Well, that's very interesting. I was born and raised in a small town which is almost invisible in the world map. It is in West Bengal. And from there on, I pursued my higher education. I did my master in business administration in Calcutta. And thereon, life happened. I started working at a very young age, a very early age in MNCs. And then I got married, a very typical conventional thing that happens in most of the middle class family in India. So then I got married. I soon conceived. I became a mother. And then I moved to UK. So it all happened in a span of, say, 3 years. I was in UK, quite naive, not very accustomed with the culture, with the people, and back then in 2016, everything was not that, like, I was not that tech savvy. Even figuring out places from Google Map was a challenge back then. It wasn't that easy going like now. That from where I started on, and then I was here with my 18-month-old son and my husband, and raising a child way away from your home. People feel homesick, but I had no privilege to do that because I had to keep going on. I started looking for work. Also, at that point of time, my son was diagnosed with autism, and it happened in UK. And life happened, things one after the other. Before I realized that I became a mother, then I realized that okay, I have to be a primary carer with the challenges that my son have. But then I was not sulking. We were like a team, and I'm also grateful to my husband for supporting me through thick and thin. And back then we started working, and today, yeah, everything is so well. My son is in a mainstream school. He's doing very well academically. He's speaking, he's playing, he's doing everything in life. But yeah, it was not a cakewalk.
Oh my gosh. How old is he?
Now he's 11 years old, and by heart and soul he believed that he belongs here. But I try to bring the mixed culture. I try to make him realize that we belong to India. Of course, we have also adopted this country, so you should love both of them. And yeah,
we'll come to that because there's a lot that you've gone through and a lot that you can share to inspire and encourage and motivate other women. But what was his name, you said?
His name is Parav.
Sorry?
We call him Bunny. We call him Bunny at home, and his name is Parav. Yeah.
I have two sons myself, Krishna and Vishnu. Krishna's 14, but he hasn't grown yet, so he still looks, like a baby, and Vishnu's 10. So I know what it's all about and what a struggle it is. Your own health, mental health, physical health, the child, the house, your career, and all of the things that we women have to do and struggle. Men have to do as well. Men are also right on our side, struggling with us and taking all the,
But I do believe that for women, when things happen, when life throw you lemon, what we give least priority is the career back then. So did I? I put my career at the back seat because my priorities are set. I'm a mother. First, I have to make things, a bit comfortable for my son, and everything we take on toll. But career wise, our self happiness, we give it a backseat. We think, okay, that can wait.
Honestly, Paromita, I'll tell you, because this show, Reflections with Ruby Bhatia, in association with Inspiring Indian Women, IIW, which is a not-for-profit NGO based in the UK and in India. So together, what we are doing this show is highlighting women's achievements, not only in their professional life, but also in their personal life. And I think as a woman, as a mother of two, we just don't have time for our careers after we have kids. I mean, मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ वही हो जाए तो बहुत है. बच्चे सेटल हो जाए, घर ठीक से चले, without that chaos and that continuous, especially जब छोटे छोटे होते हैं ना. तो परमिता हम थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बात करेंगे because
Of
we have some
course. बेशक कीजिए.
That's the only Bengali everybody knows from around the
हाँ,
world.
मैं बंगाली हूँ, मेरा हिंदी ठीक ठाक है. तो चलो चल जाएगा.
Oh, but you know what? You're sweet like a Bengali sweet, and Bengali sweets are my favorite.
Ah, do you?
I love
I don't have
Bengali.
a sweet tooth. I don't like sweets, you know.
तो वही होता है ना, वो हलवाई जो है कभी अपना खाना नहीं खाता है.
शायद.
So हम पागल हैं about Bengali sweets, but Bengalis will not have it. But I love Bengali culture. My guru is Bengali. My husband is Bengali. So anyway, that's a very soft spot for me. I just
Oh, I love.
Bengali has brought God, art, and culture to the world.
Exactly.
Okay, but
Truly so.
so I want to know a little bit more about, after you were able to settle in the UK, and then, बच्चा भी अभी ठीक है,
हाँ.
everything. Then you decided to go back to your career. So tell me a little bit about what you've been doing in your career.
Yeah, I was back in India because, like you said, Bengal में parents they encourage women to get educated. हमारा ऐसा नहीं होता. With due respect to everybody, like पहले काम कर लो, नौकरी कर लो, फिर शादी करो. ये चीज होता है most of the time, majorly. तो I had a career back there. तो मेरे लिए ये बेशक था कि मेरा बेटा देखे कि मैं काम पे जाती हूँ. She knows that it's just not the father, but my mom is also a primary provider. Even she pays the bill. That is how you can set example to your child. तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत important था. तो वो जब 3 साल का था, then I started looking for job. But इतना आसान नहीं था because I had, even though I had big qualifications, mouthful qualifications, but I didn't had experience in UK. I didn't realize the culture. आप यहाँ पे, which is a good thing as well. People are very sweet, nice on face. तो रिजेक्शन भी होता था ना जॉब इंटरव्यू में, तो समझ में नहीं आता था कि मैं रिजेक्टेड हो गई बिकॉज दे यूज्ड टू गिव यू स्वीट लॉन्ग ईमेल सेइंग दैट इट वाज वंडरफुल मीटिंग यू, इट वाज सो नाइस टू हैव यू. तो आपको लगता है मेल पढ़ते पढ़ते अच्छा मुझे ये मिल गया होगा शायद, पर अपेरेंटली यू रियलाइज नहीं, ये आपको रिजेक्ट कर रहा है. सो देयर वर सो मेनी कल्चरल शॉक्स. तो मुझे याद है द फर्स्ट 7 जॉब इंटरव्यूज आई वेंट ऑन, आई वाज रिजेक्टेड. And I didn't realize that what is going wrong because interview mein they are so cordial, their body language is so positive, you feel like चलो मेरा अच्छा हुआ है. तो 8th इंटरव्यू में मैंने पूछ लिया रिक्रूटर से, जो कंपनी से मुझे कॉल आया, मैंने उनसे पूछ लिया कि क्या बात है, प्रॉब्लम क्या है मेरे से, मतलब मैं क्यों, आई नीड अ गुड कंस्ट्रक्टिव फीडबैक. और उन्होंने बोला कि we need experience, UK experience, which is when I started working. I did internship जहाँ पे मुझको सैलरी नहीं मिलती थी, पर आई डिड माई इंटर्नशिप 3 महीने के लिए जहाँ पे मुझे सिर्फ ट्रैवल अलाउंस मिलती थी पर सैलरी नहीं मिलती थी. तो उससे मुझे एक्सपीरियंस मिल गया 3 महीने का. And then I started working with big organizations and there was no looking back. बहुत 2-3 साल में ये सब हुआ, but the struggle was intense. तो yeah, and then COVID happened, of course. एक गया तो दूसरा आ गया.
The moment you think everything is fine, there's a pandemic.
Exactly. Pandemic happened. I remember मैं जहाँ पे काम करती थी, तो Transport for London में, it's a big organization here in UK. So जहाँ पे मैंने काम शुरू किया, so when I started on, I was doing pretty good. But then COVID happened and I was wondering that I'm on the verge of losing my job. And that is when मैंने जो मैनेजर टॉप था हमारे डिपार्टमेंट पे, उनको मैंने ईमेल कर दिया कि कुछ भी हो जाए हमको मत निकालो. I was that careeristic then because I didn't want it to lose what I have already got. And honestly, I was still working. And that is when Jal Tarang also happened. हम घर से काम कर रहे थे, but I was at my lowest point at that at that point of time, personally and professionally as well, because my job was on stake. Personally also things were not getting along. You, like you say, mental health, suddenly आपको घर पे सारा दिन रहना, suddenly you are not feeling very positive with people around you as well. यूके में हम रहते थे घर से बहुत दूर, एक स्ट्रेस भी था, उसके साथ घर में सब कुछ ठीक नहीं लगता था. देयर वर मेनी रीजंस which is why.
बहुत होता है, लाइक बहुत कुछ देखना पड़ता है. कोई देखो, शादी से पहले हम सिर्फ अपने ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करें. मामा
हाँ.
लुक्स आफ्टर हाउस, और हम अपना कॉलेज जाएं, हम अपना स्कूल जाएं, हम अपना काम पे
अपने
जाएं.
धुन में.
सिर्फ अपना ही करना है, किसी का नहीं. But
नहीं.
after marriage, kids, then responsibilities हैं. फिर chaos, as I always say, chaos. कि घर is
हाँ.
not always a settled place. It's a place where everybody is, कोई बीमार हो रहा है, कभी किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, कभी कभी कुछ टूट गया, बच्चों ने कुछ तोड़ दिया. Something like.
Exactly.
तो यही है खूबी इस शो की. इस शो में हम बात करते हैं with women from around the world. जो and I think every woman, I mean even my Jamadarni, my building, Maya is her name. I see her challenges every day. She lost her husband and फिर भी वो लगी रहती है. 55 साल की है, नहीं 50 साल की है. तो मैं देखती हूँ कि वो कैसे स्ट्रगल करके फिर भी she gives a smile.
Right.
And that is success, not only for women but for every human being, every creature in God's creation. So पर एक बात बताइए, आप तो एक तो कॉलेज किड लगते हो, तो I'll come to that. I want to ask you about how you take care of yourself. But I want to know about your profession. Now you're working also, but Jal Tarang is your passion, right? Jal Tarang Limited. तो जल तरंग के बारे में बताइए.
Jal Tarang happened because of IIW. I'll tell you this. Because I was just any other person who is working 9 to 5 job, paying her bills, maybe not bills, but of course taking care of herself and then looking after the child. Or ye COVID ke time mein, then I'm also a trained classical vocalist. तो मुझे लगा कि artists, I started singing like any other person. तब सभी गाते थे.
सुनाइए please.
नहीं, वो मेरा मतलब शौक से गाती हूँ, कुछ शौक से गाती हूँ, कुछ खास नहीं है. पर बट तब सभी गा रहे थे तो मैंने गाना शुरू कर दी.
Voice first, please sing 2 lines. I need that entertainment.
Oh my God. Okay, I didn't know this is coming. Okay. मुझे सोचना भी तो है ना, गाना ऐसे बोलने से. Yeah.
It can be bhajan, it can be a film song, anything.
Yeah, anything. I don't remember the lyrics, Ruby. That is the problem.
नहीं तो मैं ही सुनाऊंगी, फिर सबको मतलब बर्दाश्त करना पड़ेगा.
Okay, just one line, yeah. Rena meeti jaay, shaam na aaye, Rena meeti jaay, nindiya na रहना बीती जा. Thank you.
Hey gosh, तालियां, जोरदार ताली. आप जहां भी हैं, आपको ताली बजानी पड़ेगी. I should hear it.
Random. That was absolutely random, and I don't know. I have no clue why did I chose this song. One of the difficult one. Because I was talking to you about Jal Tarang, and this was the first song that I sang for Jal Tarang. Maybe that is why it came to my mind.
But for me, as a person, I'm still like how I was when I was 5 years old. मैं सच बोल रही हूँ. ठीक है, the zero doesn't count. 5 के बाद 0 आ गया है, but doesn't count. Okay. I just have fun and enjoy the journey, right? So ये जो आपने गाया, इससे शो पे 4 चांद लग गए. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
Beautiful moments where we experience our guests in every aspect of their life. Okay. So thank you for adding that flavor.
Thank you. My
Just
pleasure.
Hannah, everybody, yes, Hannah.
It was so random. Trust me, tell them on the screen that we were not prepared. It's completely impromptu. What we are talking, everything is so free flowing.
Wow. Okay, लेकिन we have.
So that is when in 2020 December.
what is Jal Tarang and what is it all about?
Yeah, so that is when I started Jal Tarang, and I had no clue, no social network, nothing, and that is when IIW came on front because random.
What is Jal Tarang for our viewers?
जल तरंग, the name, right? It's an organic instrument. जो जल तरंग होता है ना, जो हम तो उसका एक मेटाफर है मेरा जो कंपनी है. I wanted to speak that India is so diversified and beautiful. क्योंकि जल तरंग में आवाज तब निकलता है जब आप सारे बाउल्स को एक साथ when you know put them together and you place them together और उसको आप बजाते हो, तब जो आवाज निकलती है जल तरंग से, तो हमारा इंडिया भी वैसा ही है. So that was the reason I put the name Jal Tarang. And from my childhood, I had something about this Jal Tarang instrument. I loved it. It is so organic. It's so beautiful. इतना soothing है. So that is why I wanted to name it Jal Tarang, and it is the metaphor of the diversity of India. So, and to uplift the artist, the Indian artist. That is how I started, because that time India, the artists were just not going through mental but also financial crunches, because the shows वगैरह सब बंद हो गया. And I know artists who were coming out, reaching out to me and telling me that, are you singing for free? I said yes. And they said, don't do that, because that is our bread and butter, and everybody is singing now what is free. So that is what stuck me, and I started Jal Tarang. IIW, Rashmi.
What does Jal Tarang do?
That point of time, Jal Tarang was curating cultural events, art, classical events, supporting a social cause. And that is when IAW got me layers with Indian Embassy in UK. Back then, the chairman was, the director of Nehru Center was Mr. Amish Tripathi. So we collaborated and we did our first digital program over Facebook and Nehru Center's digital platform. उसके बाद मैंने empowering Indian women को लेके एक प्रोग्राम किया, वहाँ पे पद्मश्री आर्टिस्ट भी आए. Exactly. And IIW was always there, like they pushed me. Okay, they gave me that pedestal. Initially it was Rashmi Di who gave me this platform. Honestly, I didn't knew her. I just shared my idea with her and she said that let's go. तो वैसे start हुआ. And 2022 में I commercialized my art production. I registered it as a limited company, and that is when I started curating events in London and in India.
Sorry to interrupt. What do you mean by art production?
Art production means any performing art that I do, and which.
I thought it's fine arts. I thought you also had.
No, not into fine arts. Just yes.
Wow, that's interesting. So you do events with art.
Events, that point of time I was doing events, but then I channelized myself into motion picture. So last year, 2023, I produced, like Jal Tarang produced the short film The Apple, and this film is running quite successfully on YouTube OTT, Pocket Films. It is almost nearing 2 million viewership, and it has got 16 international awards, and it was run into BAFTA qualifying film festival as well. And the best part is ये पूरा film का shooting India में हुआ था. 15 मिनट का film है, and the kids, everybody is Indian. It's the Indian crew who has worked on it. So yeah, and there are kids, and it is on child hunger. The film is about child hunger, but ये कोई sad film नहीं है. I literally believe, sincerely believe that you want to convey a social cause. It is very important to understand how you convey rather than what you convey. तो people don't like to listen sad stories. अगर आप जाके दुख भरी दास्तां बोलोगे लोगों को, वो हट जाएंगे. खुद के लाइफ में बहुत झेलना है, अब तुम्हारा भी क्यों सुने. But when you make it a positive story, जैसे this interview or this initiative that you have taken and IAW, you see, positive story सुनने से लोगों को चाह मिलती है, encouragement मिलती है. तो हमारा भी मूवी वैसा ही था. It's a very positive movie about friendship between two kids. One is coming from a well-to-do family, another is a rat picker. तो उसमें दोस्ती होती है एक एप्पल से, एक एप्पल एक्सचेंज करने से. तो it's a silent movie mostly, but बहुत खूबसूरत फिल्म है. I can say that proudly. So that is how Jal Tarang moved into motion picture a little bit. So we do a little bit of cultural events, we do a little bit of short films. तो ऐसे ही हम थोड़ा portfolio expand करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
Okay, तो आपने जो events किए हैं, आपने events किए हैं in the UK, in America, in the Netherlands, and even the House of Commons. So House of Commons का बताइए मुझे, what was that event also?
Oh wow, yeah, that was fantastic. उससे पहले मुझे बहुत सारे awards मिले, बहुत सारे events हुए, IIW के हुए. दूसरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस भी है जहाँ पे हाउस ऑफ कॉमन से मुझको अवार्ड मिला फॉर माई लिटिल बिट ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूशन वॉट एवर आई एम डूइंग इन माई कैपेसिटी. उसके बाद आई हैड दिस, आई वॉन्टेड टू प्रेजेंट समथिंग इन हाउस ऑफ कॉमन. हम एक इवेंट करेंगे कॉज को लेके, एंड दैट इज व्हेन द एमपी दैट वाज अगेन देयर वाज अ सपोर्ट फ्रॉम आईआईडब्ल्यू वंस अगेन, लाइक बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू शेयर माय थॉट्स विद देम कि ऐसा करने का मेरे को चाह है. सो दैट इनिशिएटेड, दैट लेवरेज्ड मी, लेवल अप मी टू रीच आउट टू द एमपी, एंड वी डिड वन इवेंट ऑन पीस एंड हार्मनी, जहाँ पे हमने बात किया कि वाई पीस, फ्रॉम वेयर पीस बिगिंस फ्रॉम आवरसेल्व्स. तो उस टॉपिक को लेके हमने, हार्मनी एंड पीस को लेके हमने एक इवेंट किया जहाँ पे हमने अपना डॉक्यूमेंट्री भी प्रेजेंट किया. अपना एक पर्सनल डॉक्यूमेंट्री है विथ माई जर्नी एंड विथ ऑटिज्म, उसको भी हमने प्रेजेंट किया. एंड देयर वर लॉट ऑफ स्पीकर्स ओवर देयर हु स्पोक अबाउट देयर लाइफ जर्नी एंड हाउ दे हैव ओवरकम ऑब्स्टेकल्स and where they are right now. So it was a very conversational as well as it was very an insightful event, and that's quite memorable to me. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's incredible. Okay, so is there anything else you want to share because we have a worldwide audience with us? तो आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे क्योंकि Reflections with Ruby Bhatia is also an opportunity for you to reach out, to network, to make the world aware of what you're doing. So आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे हमारे दर्शक?
Definitely. I mean, you cannot thrive without audience. Whatever, especially when you are in the domain of performing arts, audience is the most significant factor. And I would definitely, there is no shame in asking to support for the work I do. So definitely whatever I do in my own capacity, I would always love that the audience support is there. Like I did the film Apple and I got immense support from strangers. They have texted, they have commented on the over the film that they were crying watching this movie and they want to change themselves. And trust me, that is the best return that I can ever ask for. So audience, I need the support for audience. Further on in future, I do have planned to work on a documentary on infant mortality from under the banner of Jal Tarang Limited. I have started working on that, and I would definitely love my audience to watch that, to support that, and I hope I can take this in bigger pedestals, bigger platform. Yeah, touch wood.
शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ हैं. Good wishes, good vibes. And I also want to add a different angle towards the end of this podcast. That is asking women from all over the world who are mothers, who are professionals, about my favorite topic, body, mind, and soul. Okay? Meant physical and spiritual well-being. तो जैसे कि हम देख रहे हैं, मैं आपकी एज तो नहीं पूछूंगी क्योंकि मैं तो 51 की हूँ, लेकिन हर किसी को पता नहीं बताना है, नहीं बताना है. तो आप इतना सब कुछ करके भी आप इतने टचवुड, looking good, and how do you keep yourself together? What do you do for your mental, physical, and spiritual well-being? Let's start with spiritual. What do you do spiritually to keep yourself going?
Nothing deeper, honestly, Ruby, not the way that you have understood the impact of spiritualism. You have trained yourself, you are expertise on that. I am a layman, but what I do, before I go to sleep, I thank God for whatever I have. That I do.
Right.
And gratitude, yes. And another thing, sometimes when I'm very at my lowest point, like I had a personal tragedy recently. I lost my dad 2 months back. And when I feel very, very low, I then stop speaking to God. I do that even. So my relationship with God is just like a friend. So I don't know if it is spiritual, but with passing, my dad passed away. After that, what I realized is that life is very, very precious and make most use of it because nothing is permanent, which is why I think spirituality is a very, very important part in our life. Mental well-being, I don't know if I do anything, honestly, but yeah, I think Jal Tarang Limited, like I told you, this is my happy space. So working on something like art platform, motion pictures, so this keeps me happy. And if you are technically asking for any skincare regime, honestly, I don't do anything. And it's just...
How do you keep yourself slim and trim and
fasting, little bit of fasting, I guess. I do intermittent fasting. But look at you, Ruby. You are epitome for that. So you need to ask me about it. You
I
can
want
rather
someone intermittent fasting.
intermittent. I won't say I will not advocate that because it all depends on individual body need and body requirement. But for me, what works well is that I skip my breakfast and I try to take my dinner before 8 at night. So
Right.
that helps me, and I try to drink water in the morning. That's it. That's all I do, and that has helped me. Yeah, in a certain way.
Well, I also do weight loss coaching because I went to 100 kilos, came back to 57, went to 86 kilos, came back to 57. And I always say that I have lost about 800 kilos till now, not joking. क्योंकि 1 किलो को कम करने में 10 बार करना पड़ता है. 1 किलो कम किया फिर वापस आ गया, 5 किलो कम किया फिर वापस आ गया. तो करते 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 I don't know why I'm just passionate about weight loss. I feel that when people lose weight, they feel happy. You feel
Yes,
light.
I
तो जो
agree.
आपको ना, just want to clarify for our viewers. This controversy about breakfast. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि breakfast खाना चाहिए. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि intermittent fasting जैसे 12 से 8, 12 to 8 if we eat 12 to 8 English. So I'm not too sure about it, but to be honest with you, I also do that. I really
Uh,
don't have the breakfast. I have apple cider vinegar and lemon in hot water, and then I just go easy till about 12, 1. क्योंकि fasting भी जरूरी है body के लिए, especially as we get older. The organs need rest.
mhm.
So fasting is a common denominator, I think, of pretty much all religions around the world because the body does need a break, and also it gives us a chance to attune ourselves less with the senses and more with the soul.
Exactly.
And
It helps to
so
detox.
it's for you.
Mm.
It's for you. But it's good that you take care of your body, mind, and soul. And I really want to congratulate you on all your achievements so far. God bless you. I know it's
Thank
a
you,
tough.
Ruby. I'll tell you something on that note. My friend, my school bestie, she was texting me and she was telling me, wow, Ruby Bhatia, we grew up watching her, long way to go. And I said, yeah, it feels great. I used to watch that show, Ooh La La, back then.
I remember. Okay,
Yeah,
that's not.
and you look the same. Trust me, you look the same.
Oh, thank you.
You
No,
were
but the
so
big.
spontaneous, and that sense of the comic sense was amazing. I remember that.
सिर्फ परोमिता क्या होता है ना, हमें स्कूल में ये नहीं बताते हैं कि लाइफ इज नॉट अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. आई
Mm.
मीन जब हमें तो यही लगता है कि बस कैरियर एजुकेशन हमें अपने आप को प्रोग्रेसिव सक्सेसफुल बनाना है. The moment we get married and have kids, it's a whole different ball game. There's a really fun quote that I love where a girl says, I got up in the morning and was waiting for mom to bring me breakfast in bed. And then I realized, oh, I am the mom. So I have to get up. So, लेकिन यही तो खूबी है इस जर्नी का कि हम सबको स्ट्रगल जगल सब देखने के बाद भी I think the only victory in life is not actual success, it's not money or fame, but that we never gave up, that we
Yeah,
never gave up
absolutely.
on our kids, on our husbands, on our families, on our careers, on ourselves, on God. We just keep on trying, keep on trying. Yes, होता है हम घोड़े से उतर जाते हैं,
Mm.
लेकिन फिर से घोड़े के ऊपर चढ़ के फिर से हम जंग लड़ते हैं. And faith, patience, perseverance is actually the cornerstone of success. क्योंकि success जरूरी नहीं है कि एक चुटकी में मिले.
No.
ठीक है? Success can take many lives. भगवान को पाने के लिए कितने जन्म लगेंगे क्या पता.
Yeah.
तो लगे रहना बहुत जरूरी है. लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई दीदी बहन. Keep on going to all of you
Keep
women
on.
out there. Keep on going. I know we break down, we have our moments of despair, but again, God gives us strength. And next morning, we are all of us, women and men, always getting up and going again, trying to achieve what is right for our families, for our future, and for the world. For the world.
Right.
So
Rightly
thank
said.
you, Paramita, for being with us. It was
Thanks,
truly
Ruby.
meeting you, and I'm
Same
thankful.
here. My absolute pleasure.
I'm thankful to the internet that it brings us all together in just 1 second.
Right. It felt so nice. It never felt like anything structured. It was so spontaneous. So I
And
enjoyed
that's
it.
what it should to be. It should just come from the heart and soul and have beautiful.
Exactly.